Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to verify your crypto wallet in Exness. First, log into your Exness personal area. Navigate to the deposit section and select the cryptocurrency option. Choose your preferred crypto and the correct network, like ERC20 or TRC20, ensuring it matches your external wallet. This initial step is crucial for a smooth verification process. Once you have selected your cryptocurrency, you will need to input your wallet address. It is extremely important to enter this address precisely, as any error could result in lost funds. Double-check that the network you selected, such as BEP20, aligns perfectly with your external wallet. Take a moment to review all details before moving forward. To finalize the verification, Exness might ask for a small test deposit from your external wallet. This helps confirm you are the legitimate owner. Carefully follow any on-screen instructions for security checks, which could include entering a code. After completing these steps, patiently wait for Exness to process and confirm your wallet's verification status. Congratulations! Once your crypto wallet is verified, it is fully ready for both deposits and withdrawals on Exness. Remember to always select the correct network for every transaction to avoid any complications. If you encounter any issues or have questions during this process, do not hesitate to contact Exness customer support for assistance.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.